But this one works perfectly, guys. The hair is like butter, baby, like butter. So this is a finished look of this unit right here. Shout out to Omgherhair.com for sponsoring today's video, guys. This unit is very, very pretty. It's an ombre style unit, guys. It's 20 inches long. This unit is 180% density, guys, and the texture on this unit, as you can tell, is a silky straight. Now this unit, I used the 𝐒𝐵𝐢 Wonder Lace melting spray for this one. It's a very easy install, guys. It's basically like a spritz that you're basically spraying on your head. I feel like this one actually held the wig down very well. That wig is very, very secure with the melting spray. I kept it very simple in today's tutorial, guys. I cut light layers. It did come to me in a middle part style, but I wanted to do a side part just because I like a side part with like a little bit of color. I love this blonde ombre. This is kind of like an ash tone blonde color on the bottom, and I think it looks really, really good against my skin tone. Very nice, guys. The light layers I added to it definitely just elevated the wig up nicely. The silky straight texture. You guys know I'm not like the hugest fan of silky straight. I like a little bit of texture to my hair, like a light yaki, but this one works perfectly, guys. The hair is like butter, baby, like butter. Like, do you guys see this? Like very, very nice, guys. One thing about this unit, it does come pre-plucked and all that kind of stuff, so you guys will see that the hairline looks super, super clean on this unit. I didn't draw baby hairs up on the sides and front area right here. I left that pretty simple, but I did like a little swiggle on the sideburns, well, sideburns, just to kind of give myself, you know, a little razzle dazzle. But you guys can see the hair is very soft. Like I said to you guys, I'm not really a big fan of silky straight, but this silky straight, if you go ahead and curl it up, it looks really cute. One thing about the curling, I felt like the curling didn't really hold too well, so it kind of gives you like a little bit of a wave, but I'm kind of into that. Sometimes you don't want the gloop-de-gloop curl, sometimes you just want like a little bit of a nice light wave, and sometimes the nice light wave just looks really, really natural. And I don't know, let me know what you guys think about this one, because I really think that this came out fabulous AF. Very simple and light, and with this install you can just use a spray. If you want to, you can actually try to make this glueless. If you do a spray install the first time and then remove it, the unit will fall back in place. I didn't have to adjust the hooks in the back of this one. I just adjusted the strap and that was that, and the unit was pretty secure on my head, so amazing job. And like I said, the lace on this one is very clean, guys, very straight to the point, so you really can't beat a style like this, especially if you want to do a little ombre this season. So I do hope that you enjoyed today's hair tutorial, guys. Happy holidays to everyone. I will leave all the information, coupon codes, and all the things you need to go ahead and purchase this unit from omghair.com, guys. Happy holidays, happy Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye-bye.